Hi, it's Kathy He from John R. Wood Properties. I'm here today with Mary Adams, Senior Loan Officer from New Res in Naples, Florida.
Hi, I'm Mary Adams. I'm with the Southwest Florida Mortgage Group with New Res here in Naples, Florida. And I have been in the mortgage business since 1993. I was formerly Senior Sales Manager for a Fortune 500 bank. And that was before I came to work with our Southwest Florida Mortgage Group in 2007.
Mary, let's talk about interest rates. With COVID in 2020, 30-year fixed rates have been at a historical record low. Can you comment on where interest rates are now and where you think they're going?
So interest rates right now, there have been times in the past where you'll hear us say, we as the lending community, rates are at historical lows. You know, rates haven't been this low in 50 years. We can't say that right now because rates are literally historically low. Since the history of the mortgage, we've never seen rates this low. So the fact that them staying this way, again, artificially low for a variety of reasons, we do anticipate that rates will go up over the next year, but it will not be anything that happens overnight. It's going to be a slow progression. There are a lot of factors at hand that are affecting interest rates. And as those things change, you know, as COVID becomes something that's eventually in our rearview mirror, getting further and further away from it, then, you know, that will play a factor. Certainly, you know, what happens with the economy over the next 2 to 3 years, 1 year, that's going to have an effect on where interest rates are. And globally, people don't understand that what happens globally across this world that we're living in also affect mortgage rates in the United States because they affect the stock market. And when the stock market does really, really well, that generally means that mortgage bonds, mortgage-backed securities, people are pulling money out of mortgage-backed securities to buy stocks. That means that mortgage-backed securities go low, which means rates go high. That's one of the things that affects rates. When the stock market is not doing well, people are taking money out of stocks, which they consider, volatile, and putting them in the safe haven of mortgage bonds or mortgage-backed securities, and that brings mortgage interest rates down. So that too affects interest rates. Where do we see them going? We have been saying for the last 4 years, that rates are going to eventually go higher, and they did go higher in 2019, but nobody anticipated all of the factors that were going to come into effect that put them where they're at now. But keep in mind, now is the time to get your money cheap. We'll put it that way.
Please feel free to contact Mary Adams at New Res today to discuss your particular mortgage needs, or apply online, and Mary will promptly get back to you. She is also happy to provide you with her customer references.
Best way to contact me is, my phone number is area code 239-298-5333. My email address is madams@newrez.com, or just Google Mary Adams at New Res, Mary Adams Mortgage Naples, you'll find me.
I want to thank Mary for the wealth of knowledge she has shared with us today. Thank you, Mary, very much for the time that you have spent. It has been extremely informational. And as always, everyone, enjoy today. Thank you.